Stop doing this in your business. So if you are a entrepreneur, a business owner, or someone who manages or runs a business, and if you are doing these mistakes, then you are like not going to build a sustainable business, and you are basically out of the business game. And if you can't watch like a few minutes video and you want to click that another video, and you got this neurotic ADD mind, then you are how are you going to do business? So just focus on this video. So you see the mistake I see a lot of business owners make, and pretty much people who like run and manage business is basically trying to copy everyone else, and not trying to do something like radical and different. And I can tell you that I have a mixed feeling about this, because you should like copy things that are working. And for me, pretty much the hardest and the longest way to become rich in business is just to try to do something like new, radical, and try to come up with something different. But you have to like copy things that are basically working, and after that you have to like differentiate yourself from the rest of your competitors, because you see there's like the crisis of differentiation, and a lot of people are like just same, and I think it basically sucks. And you are basically getting commoditized as a business, and I think if you are getting commoditized as a business, then you are basically fucked up, and there's nothing much that going to help you. And I think pretty much everything that like I'm going to build in future, and every business that I'm going to have, I will like never ever get commoditized. And I think you should like have a competitive mode and advantage. And the biggest advantage that I think I have personally in business is like my pain tolerance, and my ability to suffer. Because I think you can like hire A players, and you can like hire people from my team, and you can basically copy my services, you can copy my sales script, you can like copy the way I talk, you can like basically copy my funnel, you can copy my marketing, you can copy my business model, you can copy everything from me. But the thing that you cannot copy from me is basically my ability to endure pain and my ability to suffer. And I think that's like my one of the biggest competitive advantage in business. And another advantage that I have over like other people is I think my delusion. So my delusion helps me a lot, and I think I'm like a little bit crazy and over to the moon. And a lot of people tell me that I'm like crazy, and I'm like out of reality, and very delusional, and I live in a false reality, and I completely understand them. But I think delusion is quite helpful for me. And I am quite delusional, and every successful people that I have known believe themselves to the point of delusion. And if I'm like delusional, I'm going to be like get what I want. And the only thing that I abide by are the laws of physics, and everything I don't care about. Okay, and according to laws of physics, everything that I want is basically in business and in life is pretty much possible. So you should like always abide by the laws of physics in business, and not by the like limiting beliefs of other people and their own insecurities and their own projections. And if you are like in business, then you should like focus always on like providing value to your customer. And the thing is that the business that provides the most value to the customer over a long period of time basically wins. And there's a quote from like Benjamin Graham, which says that in the short term the market is a voting machine, and in the long term the market is a weighing machine, assessing the true value of a company. And it's the quote that I will like remember forever till the death of my life. And it's like the best business quote that I have ever heard. And basically you should not like worry about your competitors if they are winning right now, because in like 5 to 10 years time horizon you are absolutely going to streamroll and crush them. And I think that's what I'm going to do with my agency Imperium Media. And I just want to like provide value and solve the problem of client acquisition and advertising better than most of my competitor, and that's how basically I will win. And you if you are in business, then you actually have to like solve real painful problems. And if you are like not actually solving problem, then you are like not going to stand out in this market for a very long period of time. And another thing that I see a lot of people make mistakes in business is basically try new things and basically like shiny objects syndrome. And I've seen this all the time. Like sometimes people are like in like they are doing drop shipping and then they are like in crypto and they are like doing trading and then they are like in AI agency and they are in like AAA and they are like info products and then they are like agency and then they are like in coaching and then they are like in consulting and then they are like on YouTube business channel and a lot of bunch of craps. And I think that's stupid and very stupid, and you should like basically stick to one thing for years to make it painfully work. And that's what I'm going to do with Imperium Media, and I'm just going to stick with one thing for like years and years, for decades and decades, and that's how I'm going to make it work. And in business, you like business by definition is delay gratification, and you want to like have a better tomorrow at the cost of today. Okay, and I think a lot of people like have like very short term thinking, and this short term thinking basically comes from their personal life and their basically personal shitty life. And if you are in business, I would say you should like have a simple personal life and not very complicated, because I've seen like a lot of entrepreneurs get burned just because they have like a very complex simple life, simple like personal life and complex life. And you should like always have simple personal life, because if you got complexity on your personal life, then how you are going to like perform very well and excellent at your professional life. And yeah, like I am a victim of this too. Like I have very complex personal life, but I am going to make these things better, and that's why like I am here on like Warsaw Beach to basically sort things out personally and things that are hurting me personally. And basically business is a reflection of you, and your personal life basically affects your business. And you have to like take personal reflections, and that's what I'm doing here right now at Warsaw Beach. And you should like take time and just think, bro, like really think about things. And if you are like very busy and just doing things, and if you have not like got the time to think about stuff, and you are in business, then you are like basically going to like not achieve like peak levels and peak performances. And I think other mistake that I see a lot of people make in business is like chasing trends and like that shiny object thing. And you should understand that problem you should have to solve. And the way you solve problem is like by having like the critical information and applying it to solve problem. And I think a lot of businesses are just there and they don't like actually solve problem and provide real value. And if your business is one of them, then you are not going to build a business over a long time period. And just focus on providing value, and remember that product is like everything. And let me repeat that product is everything, and everything comes after that, like marketing funnels, sales, ads and website and stuff like that. Everything comes after product, and your product is the main thing in business. And product is the foundation upon which everything is built, and every great company that you look up to is basically built on great product. So make sure your product is very good. And I will like give you an advice to basically build great products. You have to basically get like hospitalized and basically burn out a lot of the time. And the way I build like great products is only through like pain and suffering. And if you want to like basically win over the long term, then you have to provide the most value with your product or service. And the only way you do that is by suffering and pain. And that's what like I'm doing. And always remember that your job as an entrepreneur is to basically provide value and solve real painful problems.